Guys, good day. It's Saturday and meron tayong followers na nag-PM. Engineer, pa estimate naman ng magagamit kong paint sa room size daw na 4x3 na may wall height na 2.8 meters and merong door na width na 0.9 by ang height is 2.10. And window is a square window na 1.2 by 1.2. Okay, so 2 coating siya. And 10% ang wastage niya. This is standard. Okay, so this is 12 square meters per liter kasi 4 by 3. So let's compute the perimeter. So 4 plus 3 times 2 kasi perimeter 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, 14 meters, linear meters. So gross wall area, so yung area naman niya is 14 by, kasi yung perimeter multiplied by height, which is 2.8. So magiging siyang 39.20 meters, square meters. So area of openings, so door, so yung door is 0.9 by 2.10. And yung window is 1.2 by 1.2. So this is 1.89 and this is 1.44, 1.2. So ang total openings niya is, i-add nyo lang nung dalawa, magiging siyang 3.33 square meters. So ang net na painting area niya is yung area ito. So yung gross 39, ito yung net, ito na yung neto, minus 3.33, magiging siyang 35.87. So total area for 2 coats is equals to 35.87 multiplied by 2 kasi dalawang coatings, no? So this is 71.74 square meters. So liters needed, so no wastage. Kung walang wastage, may siyang 71.74. Divide natin sa 12 kasi 12 square meters per liter. So magiging siyang 5.97 liters. 7. So, ang add, may wastage ka na 10%. Kasi may natatapon dyan eh. So 5.97 multiplied by yung 10%, 1.1 is equals to 6.57. So, round up, buy ka ng 7 liters. Pero ang alam ko kasi sa market walang 7 liters, no? So meron 1 gallon which is 4 liters. So ang bibilin mo dalawang or 8 liters. So round up mo na siyang 8 liters kasi hindi ka makakabili sa market ng 7 liters. So 8 liters or 2 gallons. Okay. Or 2 gallons of top coat na paint. Okay? So, ang bibilin mo po is 2 gallons or 8 liters. Okay? Okay, sana nakatulong po yung nag-message. I will anonymous na lang yung nag-message. Thank you. Baka nagpapabahay siya eh. Okay po, sana nakatulong.